And this is the first example. It's actually pretty well explained. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here we're talking language learning, productivity tips for people who are busy, multi-passionate, multi-potentialite, and who get bored very easily, like me. So in today's video, I would like to share how I am tracking my progress in Korean with the website and the test language placement from King Sejong Institute. Before I take you on the laptop, I would like to share that I am doing on this channel different videos, and I have a playlist for specifically Korean language learning tips where I share resources, but also how I am learning Korean using a podcast script, or how I am learning Korean using subtitle. There is like specific tools for that. Really great resource. I really recommend this one. So depending on when this video will be out, you might already find them in the playlist. And yeah, now I wanted to say that specifically King Sejong Institute, I've been doing the test I think a couple of times, and I really love the way it is set up. It's not perfect, but I think it gives you a really great overview of your progress. So I would not use it as a very accurate evaluation or reflection of your level, but I would use it as a good reflection of your progress. So I will now take you to the website. So this is the website of King Sejong Institute Foundation. On the home page, you will find here the Korean level test. So once you click on the page, you will find here first up there a guidebook and also some technical information for the supported browsers and a little bit of explanation. There are two tests. One is a beginner level, the other one is an intermediate level, and you can take the same test every 2 months. So if you take beginner today, you have to wait 2 months until you can take beginner again. But if you took beginner, you can take intermediate. You cannot just take the same. So you also have here the different level. You have beginner, and then you have 4 level stage within the beginner elementary level, and you have the intermediate. Again, you have 4 stage. I think those are for the different classes. I've taken both of them and on the same time, and I do get obviously a different grade, but if you're beginner, between beginner and intermediate, I recommend taking both because you will be able as well to track your level and see how far you can go on both sides. Even if you're a little bit more than beginner, you will still see improvement because I will show you in a second how they are grading you. It's divided in different aspects. So this is the document that you can download with more information. I think it's great to go through the document once so you can see the different level that they have, and it also explains that for each level you will have 20 questions for the listening part and 25 questions for the reading part. Here they mentioned within 3 months that you cannot do the test again. When I used to take the test, it was 3 months, so maybe they have updated it and now the frequency is 2 months. But for sure, if you've done it the last 2 months, you are not able to do it again. They also walk you through the whole process and explain you step by step how you can take the test and the language level. I think it's quite clear, the explanation and how you go through it. In each steps, for each section, they will have an example and you will be able to play and to check it out. So I will in a bit show you how some of the question, or at least how it works. But yeah, here I think you have a really good clarification on how it works. And this is exactly what I was talking about, is they will divide your result into 3 categories: vocab, understand, and grammar. And those can be really quite different within the same level. So it's very interesting, so you can figure out what are your strengths and your weaknesses. So if here it's pretty clear, which is great as well, is that according to the level they also recommend your textbook. So then you can also check out the textbook, or maybe check out textbook they have similar level, so that you can, if you do self-study, do that on your own. So now let's get back to the test. So now that we've checked it out, I will show how the test homepage look like. You can pick, let's just pick beginner, and you will have to enter your information here. Click on agree. So once you have entered all your information, you will come here and they will start the test. And for each section, they'll give you the information, 20 questions for 20 minutes. And this is the first example. It's actually pretty well explained. You have here where you click and you will have to pick the correct image.
무엇을 샀어요?
빵을 샀어요.
So it's quite the same as well for the written part. But yeah, so you have similar example. I will also not show the reading part because I will not do the exam today. So yeah, thank you for watching the whole video, and I hope this test will be very helpful to track your progress. It's not a test that you can do every other day. I think it's every 3 months. So yeah, that's really one good way to stay motivated. On top of this video, I have listed down a playlist for Korean resources and language learning tips. So yeah, I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.